With FIFO, you have the flexibility to customize specific functions related to how, when, and what feedback you collect, allowing you to tailor the default settings to your preferences. To access your feedback preferences, head over to the Settings section in your hub. Now, click on Feedback Preferences. It's that simple. First things first, choose the default language for your account. This language will be used for your FIFO client page's URL. Next, let's specify your default consumer country. This helps generate your Google seller rating feed. If you operate in multiple countries, you can set this for each transaction using the country_code tag in your sales file. Now, let's decide what feedback you want to display: service, product, or both. You can even choose if you'd like to display it alongside the purchased product and include user-generated content, UGC. These choices will directly impact your client page. Control the number of responses by closing threads after one published reply. Stay in the loop by monitoring feedback reviews based on star ratings. While 1- and 2-star reviews are monitored by default, we recommend keeping an eye on 3-star reviews as well. Simplify your workflow by automating feedback requests through our scheduling options. Use the minimum interval setting to limit the number of feedback requests for repeat customers. For instance, if you set a 1-week interval, a customer making multiple purchases in the same week will only receive 1 request. Great for managing historic customer data uploads. Enhance customer experience with the re-rating option. If a customer leaves a negative review and the issue is resolved, they can re-rate your service by clicking the link in their original feedback request. You can also notify them once you've responded to their review. By default, customers are referred to as trusted customer. However, you have the flexibility to change this to match your industry standard or preference. Remember, the customer name isn't mandatory when uploading sales data, and it will assume the default if no name is given. Lastly, explore our new feedback forms, including the mini builder for assembling forms within campaigns and enable them to be sent. Congratulations! You've successfully optimized your feedback preferences for a better FIFO experience. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.